Getting down, in today's video I will show you how to change notification using Zedge. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, you want to download the Zedge app. Of course, then hit X because you don't want to pay. And here you have some notification sound already. What we can do, hit the three line at the top left. We have the ringtones, we have notification sounds, and we also have wallpaper and some more stuffs. So I am going to find something that is not copyrighted because I am taking this YouTube video, of course, and I think this dark sound, let's turn up the volume a bit, is not copyrighted. I'm going to hit this, and what we want to do right now, hit the bottom in the middle. So I don't know why my skin is black on my screen, but when I go into this, there is an option to save. This. So you want to hit the save option. Yes, then this comes up, and then you want to hit set notification. Once you do that, you want to hit allow Zedge to access your media. Yes, and open it again, and then we actually want to go into the same thing again and hit set notification. So now when we go back, as you can see, notification sound uploaded. So this is actually how you can do this. So this is the way how you can change notification using Zedge. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.